Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073-848-1382, and today we have a 2011 Holden Commodore Omega sedan, stock reference number 4313. This shape runs from the 8th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2013. It has an LFW 3-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. LFW 3-litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has suffered damage all the way around the vehicle. We have the left-hand tail light. Boot lid appears to have no damage. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom and module. Right-hand tail light. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. Right front door has a 5-inch scrape dent and a small dent. Power door mirror, right hand side. Right front, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control dual zone heater controls, factory single stack touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.